Most people think cars are built to fall apart after 100,000 miles, but that's a myth. The truth is, with just a few simple habits, your car can easily go 200,000 or even 300,000 miles without major repairs. Mechanics won't tell you this because they profit when you neglect these secrets. But in this video, I will reveal the smartest tips to make your car last longer, drive smoother, and save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Stick until the end, because secret number 1 can only make your car last over 100,000 miles. Let's dive in. Secret number 11. Stop ignoring your oil change. Interval engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, cools the engine, and carries away contaminants. But over time, oil breaks down due to heat and combustion. Byproducts, turning into sludge that clogs oil passages and sticks to internal components. When you delay oil changes, the oil loses its ability to protect against friction, leading to increased wear on pistons, camshafts, and bearings. This can result in engine overheating and eventual engine failure. Therefore, you shouldn't ignore your oil change interval. If your vehicle is using conventional oil, it is safe to change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. But for most modern cars using synthetic oil, the interval is every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Skipping or delaying oil changes may save money today, but could cost you a full engine rebuild tomorrow. Secret number 10. Warm up your engine for 30 seconds every morning. When you start your engine on a cold morning, the oil has settled in the oil pan overnight and hasn't yet circulated to the top of the engine. If you immediately drive off, critical components like the camshaft, pistons, and crankshaft move without full lubrication, which may lead to microscopic wear. Letting the engine idle for just 30 seconds gives the oil enough time to build pressure and reach all the vital parts. This is especially crucial in colder weather, where the oil is thicker. There's no need to warm up your engine for 5 or 10 minutes, because modern engines warm best while driving. But those first 30 seconds can be the difference between an engine that fails at 150,000 miles and one that runs strong past 300,000. Secret number 9. Replace your air filters. Before your engine suffocates, your engine needs a steady flow of clean air to mix with fuel and create proper combustion. When that filter gets packed with dust, dirt, and debris, it restricts airflow to the engine, making it work harder to pull in the oxygen it needs. The result? Sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and even damage over time as the engine tries to overcompensate. And here's the twist. Replacing an air filter costs under $30 and takes less than 10 minutes in most cars. Check your filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or more often if you drive in dusty areas. A clean air filter is one of the easiest and most overlooked ways to boost power and make your car last for years. Secret number 8. Use top-tier fuel only. Top-tier fuel isn't just a marketing gimmick, it contains a higher concentration of detergent additives that clean your fuel system as you drive. Cheaper gasoline may meet minimum standards, but often lacks the cleansing agents that prevent carbon buildup on your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber. Over time, this buildup causes poor combustion, engine knocking, and power loss. Top automakers, including Toyota, Honda, and BMW, recommend top-tier gas for a reason. It protects your engine. You'll get better efficiency, lower emissions, and a longer-lasting engine with cleaner internals. Secret number 7. Drive smoothly and avoid aggressive acceleration. Quick acceleration and hard braking not only burn more fuel, but place tremendous strain on your transmission, suspension, engine mounts, and drivetrain components. Over time, this wear results in jerky shifting, broken mounts, and worn-out brakes. Smooth driving minimizes stress on every moving part in your car. It also improves fuel economy and extends tire life. Calm, measured driving might not feel exciting, but it's the difference between replacing parts at 100,000 miles and driving past 300,000 with minimal repairs. Secret number 6. Wash and wax. Looks aren't everything, but when it comes to your car, appearance matters more than you think. Dirt, bird droppings, and road salt don't just sit there. They eat through your paint and then your metal. And once rust starts, it spreads like a disease, silently destroying brake lines, suspension arms, and even the frame. Washing your car regularly and waxing every few months acts like armor. It seals out moisture and corrosive chemicals. Keep it clean, and your car's body will last as long as the engine. Secret number 5. Keep your battery terminals corrosion-free. You might think battery problems only happen in winter, but corroded battery terminals are a silent killer year-round. That fuzzy white or green buildup blocks the electrical flow, which strains your alternator and eventually kills your battery. Cleaning your terminals with a little baking soda and a wire brush takes 5 minutes and prevents thousands in electrical issues. Do it every few months and enjoy strong starts, brighter lights, and longer battery life. Don't wait for the click of doom. Secret number 4. Keep your tires properly inflated and aligned. Driving with low or uneven tire pressure isn't just bad for gas mileage. It destroys your suspension, brakes, and alignment. Underinflated tires drag your car down, wear out faster, and stress your shocks and struts. Overinflated ones reduce grip and cause harsh ride quality. Check your tire pressure every month and keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Also, get your wheels aligned at least once a year or after hitting a pothole. Well-maintained tires not only last longer, but protect every system connected to your wheels. Secret number 3. Flush your coolant before it eats your engine. A live coolant isn't just colored water. It's what keeps your engine from exploding due to heat. But over time, it breaks down and turns corrosive, attacking your radiator, water pump, and even the head gasket. If you wait too long, you'll see overheating, warped cylinder heads, and a repair bill north of $2,500. Flushing the coolant every 2 to 5 years keeps the engine's veins clean and flowing. Think of it like giving your engine a detox. It sweats bullets without it. Don't wait for the temperature gauge to spike. Prevent disaster before it starts. Secret number 2. Always listen to your car. Your car often warns you about problems before they turn serious, but only if you're paying attention. Unusual sounds like knocking, squealing, grinding, or clicking are not just annoying. They're early signs of mechanical trouble. A squealing belt might mean it's worn out, while a grinding noise could point to failing brakes or wheel bearings. Even slight changes in how your car starts, idles, shifts, or steers are clues that something isn't right. The worst part is, most of them are $50 fixes if caught early, but 1,500+ disasters if ignored. Learn to treat your ears like diagnostic tools. If something sounds off, check it out immediately. It's cheaper to investigate than to rebuild. Secret number 1. Avoid short trips whenever possible. Short trips, especially those under 5 kilometers, don't allow your engine to reach its optimal operating temperature. This means condensation doesn't evaporate from the oil and exhaust, leading to internal moisture that causes sludge, rust, and acid formation. Your car's catalytic converter also doesn't reach full temperature, reducing its ability to clean emissions. Over time, these cold starts lead to more wear and premature failure of engine components. Try to combine errands or take one longer weekly drive of 20 minutes or more. Letting your car warm up fully on a regular basis keeps fluids circulating properly and prevents internal damage. That's all for this video. With these 13 smart habits, you can make your ride last a lifetime and save tens of thousands in the process. So treat your car like the investment it is. Give it love, and it'll return the favor mile after mile. See you in the next video.